Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook marketing course, I'm going to show you how to generate leads through your website. I'm going to show you a proper campaign creation process where you will be using your landing page or website in order to generate leads, right? So let's directly get into my Facebook ads account and learn about this. So before creating our proper campaign, let's just discuss about the benefits of using landing page or our website. What are the main benefits, key benefits of using our landing page or a website, right? So first of all the information related to your product and service and the offer is mentioned in your website so that your prospects, your customers or your clients can decide whether to submit the lead or not, right? So this is very useful thing. And then you can add the contact number as well so that your customer or the client can directly contact you if you provide contact support. Then obviously you can add the form in your landing page itself, so you don't have to create a lead form on Facebook, right? You can directly collect the leads from your landing page itself or the website. Then you can add the address as well on your landing page or website, because obviously it helps to increase the trust on your brand, on your business, right? And after that, you can add the testimonials, you can add the videos so that the customer or the client can partially understand the product or the service which you are providing. And after this, the conversion part will be a lot easier, right? So these are the benefits of using your landing page or your website, as you can see. Now let's directly jump into my Facebook ads account and create a campaign. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my Facebook ads account. Now in order to create a campaign, obviously we have to click on this create button, and here we want to select leads. Obviously we want to generate leads, so I'm going to select leads and hit the continue button. Now we are into our campaign level, where you can name your campaign. Whatever the name you want to add, you can add it. Let's say I'm writing lead gen campaign. Here I'm writing landing page, or you can add the website, it's totally up to you. Then date, right? This is the name I have given. And if I scroll a little bit down here in campaign details, I get this option, basically bidding type and the campaign objective, which is leads. And in show more option, you get one more option, which is campaign spending limit. So right now it is none added. If you want to edit, you can add campaign spending limit over here. Otherwise you can leave this as it is, right? And then we do have A/B test and advantage campaign budget, also known as CBO, campaign budget optimization, right? You can turn this option on in order to get a few extra options on a campaign level. As you can see, you can set your campaign budget over here. Let's say you want to add 1600 rupees, which is roughly around $20, and this is my daily budget. If you want, you can set your lifetime budget as well. It is totally up to you, but right now I'm going with daily budget and I'm making it to 1600, right? And then we do have campaign bid strategy, which is already set on highest volume. If you want, you can change it. Let's go with cost per goal. Right now we are going with cost per goal, right? Then show more options. In show more options, you get only one option, which is run ads all the time, and this is non-editable, right? Because you haven't chosen the lifetime budget. If you set this to lifetime budget, this option will be editable for you, right? And what is the use of this option? You can just take this option, and if you take this option in the ad set level, you will be able to set your ad scheduling on an hourly basis as well, right? If you turn this option off, you will be able to set your ad schedule on a daily basis, basically on a day basis. Let me directly show you. As you can see, I've turned this option on, and if I go to ad set level and if I scroll a little bit down in ad schedule, as you can see, I get this hourly options, right? Let's say I just want to run my ads on Monday 12 to 9 a.m., right? But on Tuesday I want to run my ads on 3 p.m. to 12, right? Then on Wednesday I want to run my ads from 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. only. So this is how I can set on an hourly basis if I select, basically if I check that box, right? And if I turn this option off, you will be not able to set that scheduling option. You will not get any scheduling option like that, right? So this is what the benefit you get, and this is only available in lifetime budget, not on daily budget. Right now I'm going with daily budget, so never mind, right? So after this, just hit the next button and we are into our ad set level. Here you can set your name first. So again, I'm adding lead gen ad set, and here I'll be adding landing page and again date, right? This is the name I have given, and here in the conversion part I'll be selecting my website, right? And here it is asking to performance goal. What is performance goal? And here you get few more options like maximize number of landing page views, maximize number of link clicks, or maximize number of conversions. It is totally up to you, whatever the goal you want to choose, right? And then we do have pixel. It is asking to select the pixel and it should be active, right? Right now we do have only one pixel and that is inactive, right? But whenever you are creating your campaign, the pixel should be active, otherwise you will be not able to run this campaign, right? But the procedure is same. I'm showing you the procedure. I'm not creating the proper campaign which I'm going to run, right? I'm just showing you the process. I'm showing you the demo. Then in conversion events, you have to select the event, whatever the event you want to be done, right? Let's say I want the event which is lead. Obviously I need the lead, so if the lead submission is done, that will be counted as a conversion, right? And the cost per goal, average cost per goal is around 5 rupees here, and this is suggested from Facebook itself, right? And this options available on if you select cost per conversion only. Here cost per result goal, right? If you select highest volume, you'll be not able to get those options. Let me show you. Hit the next button. I've selected highest volume here. Now again the website has been selected, and as you can see, cost per goal option is turned off right now. So this is what the difference you get, right? So choose wisely whatever the option you want. And after this, you have one more option, dynamic creative. If you want, you can turn this option on, otherwise you can leave it. As I'm leaving this option, I don't want to uh, use any dynamic creative. I'll add my own creatives, right? Now here you have the ad scheduling option. If you don't want to run your ads from today itself, so what you can do is you can set the specific date. Let's say I just want to run my ads from after 5 days. So today is 5th of August, so I'll be adding the date of 10th of August so that the campaign can automatically run from 10th of August, and I can add the end date as well, right here. Now in ad set level, you also get the spending limit. You can set your ad set level spending limits as well. Here you just have to turn this option on, and here you can set your spending limit, right? Now in audience, I've already shown you how to select your custom audience, how to create your lookalike audience. Whatever the option you want, you can use it, right? And after this, we have the location. Whatever the location you want, you can add it. Right now the country, the whole country has been selected. If you want to add multiple countries, you can do that. If you want to add any specific city, any specific location, or any specific postal code, you can do that as well, right? Even you can exclude few areas as well. Let's say I've selected the whole country, but I want to exclude few cities. So what I can do is I just first you have to select this option on exclude, and then search the city or the location you want to exclude, and just hit the mouse and your location is been excluded from your targeting, right? So this is how you can do it. And if you want to add bulk locations, you can click on add location in bulk, and here you can add locations in bulk, right? Let's say you want to select the countries Then here you can add the countries, whatever the countries you want to target. Then in age bracket, it totally depends on your business nature, that which age bracket suits your business or business nature, right? Let's say if it is a real estate business, then the age bracket should be from 30 to 65, right? Or maybe 60. But if it is a digital marketing business where you sell digital marketing courses, so the age bracket can be from 18 to 35 or 40 max, right? So this is how you decide your age bracket according to your business. Then you have your gender preference as well. It is totally up to your business, that if let's say you sell products that can be sold to only women, so you have to select the gender, right? Otherwise you can leave it as it is. Then we do have detailed targeting options. I have already shown you how to do targeting on a demographical basis, interest basis, and on a behavioral basis. So you can do that as well. Even you can exclude the interest, demographics, and the behaviors which you don't want to uh, add into your targeting, right? So this is how you can do your targeting. Either you can choose audiences or you can do your detailed targeting option, right? After that you get one more option, which is language. So right now by default it is set on all languages, but you can set the specific language which your audience speaks, right? After that we do have placement options. In placement we do get two options. The first one is advantage plus placement, and this is recommended to basically, in if you choose this one, Facebook's AI will decide where to show your ads, how to show your ads, right? Or on which devices to show your ads. But if you select manual placements, so here you can do all the manual things. Basically you can select the device or the operating system where to show your ad, right? So here you can first you can select your device, whether you want to show your ads on mobile or desktop. Then you can select the platform as well: Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and Messenger. So these are the platforms which you can choose from, right? And manual placement is basically if you have previous data and if you know that where your ads work or perform well, then you should choose manual placement. Otherwise you can go with advantage plus placements, right? After platforms we get these placements where you can select or deselect your placements manually. It is totally up to you that whatever the placement you want to select. And then we get show more options where you can set the operating system and mobile devices. Let's say if you click on edit, here you will be able to see set your preference. Basically let's say you just want to show your ads on Android devices, so you can select this option. Otherwise you can go with all mobile. And then you get one more option over here, which is only when connected to Wi-Fi. So you can show your ad when it is connected to Wi-Fi. Basically you can show your ads to the device which is connected with the Wi-Fi. For that you have to turn this option on, and then you get these few more options over here, right? So this is all about the ad set level. Once you are done with your ad set level, hit the next button, and we are into our ad level. So here again you can name your ad whatever the name you want to add. Oops, let me close this. Now it is lead ad. I'm adding here landing page, date, and whatever the creative you want you are going to add, you can write it here directly. Let's say this is a video ad, so you can write it video here. Or if it is an image ad, so you can write image here, so that you don't get confused in future, right? It is just for you. Now in identity option you have to select your page, you have to select your Instagram account. Once both are selected, just scroll a little bit down, and here you have to select your ad, basically ad setup, right? So create ad, we are creating ad, manual upload, and here you can select the formatting. So if you want to go with single image or video, you can select this option. Otherwise you want to go with carousel or collection, you can choose these options, right? Let's say this time we are going with carousel, right? So you have select, you just have to click on carousel option, and here you have to select your creatives. So you can add at least two or more than two, right? So click on add image cards. So let's add We are going to add only 2. We are not going to add many. We are going, yeah, only 2. As you can see, right here you have to add the headline. So I'm adding demo, demo, and in the description box again demo, demo. Here you can add your website URL, whatever the website you have, you can add the URL over here, right? So after this, once you have written the ad copy for this creative, obviously this is the carousel ad, right? So you have to add the headline and the description for every creative you have added. So first one is done, second one is here. Just hit the pencil icon and edit here as well. So again I'm adding demo, or this is a property creative, so I'm adding best property near you, so that you can get idea, right? Near you. And in headline, property starts with $100,000. So this is the price I have given, and these are the basically headline and the description for specific content. As you can see, this is the first one, and if you go to second one, this is how it is going to appear, right? Now if you want to add more images, you can directly click here and add more images, otherwise you can leave it, right? Scroll a little bit down, and here you have to add the main primary text for your ad. So here I'm adding demo because it is very time consuming and totally waste of time, because I'm not creating a proper campaign, right? I'm just showing you the demo. And if you don't want to sorry, if you want to know how to write primary text, you can watch our previous videos where I have already shown you how to write ad copies, right? Where I'll be showing you the basics of primary text, headlines and descriptions. And after this we do have call to action button, and in call to action you have the choice whatever the call to action you want to choose. Let's say I'm going with book now, right? And in the destination option you have to add the main URL where you want to land your users. So it can be your website, it can be your landing page, whatever the specific website you have created for this ad, you can add it here. So right now it is the our main website homepage has been selected. So let's go with this one, and here you can uh, basically add the link which you want to show to your users, right? This is the main link, but this will be going to show to the users, this will going to appear, right? So here you can add the marketing fundas like this. Oops, let me just copy it and paste it here, and here you can add the course like this. So this is the link which is going to appear in the ad, and your users will be able to see this particular link, and if they click they'll be land on this link, right? So this is how you can do it. Then after this you can, if you want, you can add the instant form. So this is totally up to you, and you can set up the tracking, but obviously you have to properly set your pixel which should be active. It is not, in my case it is not active right now, right? And then you can set your tracking and all, like you even you can set your URL parameters. So this is totally up to you. So I hope you understood how you can create your proper lead gen campaign using your website or landing page, and even I have shown you the benefits of using your website or landing page to generate leads, right? I hope everything is clear now. If you understood the process, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also don't forget to share this video, share this playlist with your needy friends who want to learn Facebook marketing. And with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.